Come test drive the 2025 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.